This is the IKEA website. We've added to the left part of the screen this new version of the Chrome plugin called Silktide. This is a brilliant tool which we suggest you add to Chrome. We share the link in the cheat sheet. Among the other things, the updated version of the plugin will allow you to display all the alt text present on the page. So let's begin by selecting alt text and looking at the first image. So the one on the top of the screen of the young people hanging out in a bedroom. The alt text is 3 people lounging in a bedroom with a bed dressed in zebra striped sheets and a wall covered of posters, art, stickers, and souvenirs. This is well written, in my opinion. It describes the image well without creating screen reader noise, an example of tweet-style writing, and they also respect the tone and voice that is used on the visual part of the site. The next image, scrolling down, has alt text that says, collection of blue and white pattern enthusiasm side plates are spread out with a white porcelain teapot in the center. The following one has a green hallway with a yellow and terracotta Perjoyan stool and clothes hanging on a coat rail above. Now let's look at what is in this green banner in the middle. First, we have an image, and the alt text is Evo standing in the kitchen, preparing the breakfast tray in front of the kitchen window. Note the extra nice touch of giving the person a name instead of just saying man. Next to that, we have a small video. This video has been set to decorative. My guess is they decided to do this to avoid a long explanation which didn't add enough value to the user. From how they've treated alt text in particular and accessibility in general, this doesn't look like a lazy choice, but a very intentional one. The interesting thing here is the example of a judgment call. They could have added alt text. It would also have been correct, but they chose not to do it. These are very deliberate choices and choices we constantly make when working on accessibility. Having all the high-level knowledge we make sure to share in these training sessions will enable you to make these calls. You think about the user, in the case of alt text, mainly a blind user, and evaluate which is the best experience. Based on the importance of equivalent experience, but also on avoiding screen reader noise. IKEA has done a really good job here. I suggest you check out the website if you're looking for really good examples on how to write alt text.